Hi everyone! Welcome back to Wisdom Bag. Today, let's learn English while hiking to the waterfall. In this video, we will learn English words about nature and explore the forest to find a hidden waterfall. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh, look! There is mud on the trail. Mud means wet, soft earth or dirt. Be careful, the ground is slippery. Slippery means it is smooth or wet, and it is easy to fall. I find a fallen tree in my way. I need to climb over it. I find colorful birds. They are singing. The sounds are so pleasant. Look, a monkey is swinging from the branches. Wow, it is so fast and agile. And there is a tiny squirrel. It looks so cute and busy eating its nut. It is a thick jungle. Thick jungle means the trees are very close together and there is a lot of green life. Hiking is fun, but I am feeling tired. I need to drink water. Wait! I hear the sound of water. The waterfall is near. Wow, a waterfall! A waterfall is where water flows over the edge of a mountain or cliff. The water hits the big rocks at the bottom. These boulders are so massive. Look at this pool. It has very clear water. The water is very cool. It feels refreshing. Look at the mist. Mist is like a thin cloud of tiny water drops near the ground. The view is breathtaking. It means something is so beautiful that it surprises you. Now let's take a short rest and enjoy nature. This place is so peaceful. It was a long hike, but it was worth it. I need to take some photos to remember this beautiful moment. I'm walking carefully on these big rocks. They are very steady. Look at this green moss. It feels soft, like a natural carpet. I found a colorful beetle on this leaf. The jungle is full of tiny surprises. Okay, it's time to head back. I've had a wonderful time at the waterfall. Walking back is easier now. I feel very energized after my rest. One last look at this breathtaking view. I will never forget this hike. Nature is amazing. Remember to keep exploring and practicing your English every day. I hope you enjoyed this journey. This was Wisdom Bag. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.